Alright, so JG here. Got some more parts in. This is the little thing I need to hold the flywheel still on the vet. So about to move some stuff around. I'm gonna get everything taken off. I'm still waiting on my torque wrench to come in to tighten that new pulley on, but for now this is good enough. So turn off that JZ. But yeah, finna move some stuff around and we about to get started. Alright, time to move this thing. There we go. We just gonna do it right here in the driveway. In the air, we're about to take the battery loose, get these wheels off. We got these Ryobi tools, which are amazing. So here we go.
And the shit don't be, it don't be pointed in.
Yep. I done kind of got used to it now, so I can kind of guess about where it's supposed to be. Especially like this side, it just worked. Did I bring the hammer?
Nope.
Oh, God.
Yeah, you learn.
So these lines up. Alright, so that's that. Yeah, these gotta get swapped out. Yeah, that look bad. Alright, belt off. We're about to get this alternator off. So alright, so about to get this alternator off. Where's this other bolt? 2 bolts, 15s. Alright, so fast forward, we got a bunch of junk off. What you need is an 18 millimeter that'll get this tie rod end loose. You need another 18 with a wrench to get these sway bar links loose, which you have to hold it on this end and this part right here to straighten up. But yeah, those are 18s. Sway bar bushings to get the whole sway bar off, which are these two, are 13s. So it'll be 2 of these on both sides. When it comes time for you to drop the frame, this is a 21. It's this and it's one on that side. 15 to get this tensioner loose, 15 to get the alternator bolts loose so you can reach the steering thing, which is a 13. So that'll come off with a 13. This little box it's a bracket holding that on. I think that was a 12 or a 13. So you can move this and get it out the way. And there's a couple plugs in there, but I think that was it. We got to get the lines off still. So the lines, it's dark in there, but the 2 lines are 18 millimeters too. They're going down there, so those are 18s. Yeah, the 2 lines are 18 millimeters, so can't get those off just yet. I gotta get a crowfoot wrench to get that off. But once we get those 2 lines off, we got the front 2 bolts of this subframe loose, which are right here. So I think we gotta take the back two bolts loose, somewhere under there. But I'm not 100% sure. So if you know, let me know. But that'll probably be tomorrow. So once we get those loose, everything is done with the steering rack, and we can pull that out. It should come out on this driver's side. Still gotta put the flywheel lock in so we can get the bolt off of the balancer. But like I said, that'll be tomorrow. So this is it for part one. Check in tomorrow. Hopefully it'll be off tomorrow by the time y'all watch. So yeah, check in.